Hey everyone, today I'm going to share with you a mini kunafa recipe. It is very easy to make. Those who don't have baking tray and oven at home, after watching this video, it would be super easy for them to make kunafa bite at home. Because I am going to share with you a one trick which definitely you are going to like it. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Now take kunafa dough of any brand. If you don't have kunafa dough, take feni or else you can make with vermicelli. Break or cut this dough and transfer this into one bowl. I am using only half packet of this dough in which I am adding half cup melted butter. After adding melted butter, give it a nice mix using your hand. If you want, you could add food color, but it's optional. And keep this aside. Now, those who don't have baking tray and oven at home, they can use this trick. Take silver foil. Also take this kind of small cups to give a shape. Now take any one small cup of your choice, place this silver foil inside and give a shape of a cup to it. You can also use aluminium small cups which is easily available in the market, but doing also works same. Make all this ready. Now grease all this cup with butter and keep aside. Then take a pressure cooker or else you can take any big round cooking pot and place this kind of rack inside. Now place over it any aluminium cooking utensil. Cover this with its lid, but don't use its whistle. Remove the whistle and keep aside. Now cover and preheat this pressure cooker first on a medium to high flame for about 5 to 10 minutes. When it is heated nicely for 5 to 10 minutes, now you can use this preheated pressure cooker as an oven. Place all these kunafa cups inside. Cover the lid and keep the gas flame medium to high and bake this for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare its sugar syrup. Now quickly see sugar syrup making. Take 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water in a cooking pan. Keep gas flame low to medium. When boils start to come, squeeze in few drops of lemon. Add few drops of rose water. Let it simmer for few minutes. When you see water is changing its thickness little bit, off goes the flame and it's done. After 30 minutes, remove it from the pressure cooker, and when you will remove it, be careful because it will be very hot. See, all the kunafa is nicely baked. Now you can demold it or you can also tear its silver foil. Here your kunafa is ready to bite. Dish out in one plate, garnish with pistachio and drizzle some sugar syrup over it and enjoy. And if you find my video is interesting and helpful for you, let me know in the comment below. Share this trick with your family and friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.